Let us go with the problem number 29 right here. Out of 40 students of a class, a 60% passed in first division. Okay, first division out of 40, that is 60%. Second division is 30%, and third division is remaining. Third division is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90, 100 minus 90 is equal to be 10%. Now we have to find the number of students in each category. So let us go with the first division students. How many number of students are there total? 40 into 60, that divided by 100. For second division, the same way you have to go with this. Total number of students is 40, and that is going to be 30%, 30, that divided by 100. For third division, right, that is going to be 40 into 10, that divided by 100. Now simplify it. So 2 zeros I will cancel here. 6 4s are 24 students are there in first division. So 2 zeros I will cancel. 4 3s are 12 students are there in second divisions, and this will be cancelled. 4 students are there in third division. 24 plus 12, 36 plus 4, 40. Right. This is the answer for it.